Square root of 930 25. The first part is 930 and second part is 25. For second part, it is a perfect square, so its square root is 5. First part lo 930 undi. A number just less than 930 and it is a perfect square. And 30 square is equal to 900. And 900 is a perfect square just below 930. The square root of first part is 30 and the square root of second part is 5. Square root of 930 to 5 is equal to 305. Very simple. Just 5 seconds లోనే మనం దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయగలరు. ఓకే, మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.